The government, through the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, Bendito Freitas, today clarified the process of deploying the Joint Task Force to the Philippines to provide humanitarian aid and social protection to the people and the state of the Philippines, which is currently facing a natural disaster crisis. The minister stated that for now, the Philippine government still has sufficient human resource capacity to respond to the ongoing disaster. However, this does not prevent Timor-Leste from deploying its team in the future should the Philippine government request Timor-Leste's presence.
Contudo, ainda é importante buscar aqui encontro coordenação técnica, coordenação política nível alto Filipinas assistente secretário de Negócios Estrangeiros Bolivar, senhor Inaram Bolivar, Homos under secretário da Defesa senhor Cabreiro, Sira Halrunão e Manila, nível político, e Sira decide primeiro a tua agradece temos Timor-Leste na participação da missão, Sira agradece. E assunto é nesse presidente da República Filipinas Bonbon Marcos Mosatene e aprecia temos e tem gesto manifestação para a tua for apoio missão na Banabá. Mas Bessira de Hankata, neste momento, Filipinas e a manpower suficiente. A tubela halo operação de limpezas e a Filipinas. Sai da Maxira precisa marcar apoios materiais, goods. Agora, assunto ainda né, Horsek transmite ona e encontro o primeiro-ministro a Timor-Leste bele for apoio financeiro.
Bendito Freitas reaffirmed that the Joint Task Force remains on standby, as Timor-Leste is ready to provide assistance and deploy immediately whenever the government and the people of the Philippines require it in the future. Earlier, on 11th November 2025, the government, through the Minister of Defense, Pedro Clamarfuic, and the Chief of the Defense Force, Lieutenant General Domingos Raul Falur Ratelek, held a farewell ceremony for the 150-member Joint Task Force, composed of 120 personnel from FFDTL, 20 firefighters, 4 from the Equipment Management Institute, and 6 from the health professionals. Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Cataluha like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.